Hello everyone. So I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to give you an unboxing my huge box of Ulta. I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I popped a few Midol and I don't feel like showing my face. So let's get started. Got one of these from Tony Moly. These are so good. They get all that extra skin and gunk off your feet. And then I just ordered these for the first time. This one's Spearmint Eucalyptus. I got a bunch of them. Oops, I picked that one so I could smell it. But I got Lavender Fields, Hawaiian Lei. Ooh, those are gonna start rolling. Coconut Cream, Sandalwood Vanilla. So right now I'm not too crazy about the Lavender Fields. It kind of smells like a dryer sheet. And then I got some of those facial hair razors to kind of trim up my brows and, you know, that peach fuzz. And then these were on sale. They're like the blackhead extractor and the skin clearing tool that you see people like on professional videos use and stuff. And then I had seen this is supposed to be a really good reconstructor for blonde hair. And my hair has been really like dry lately because I am going platinum blonde. So I just kind of wanted to try something a little extra to help nourish it. And then, so I tried a sample of this in like a travel size bottle or like a deluxe size bottle. I really love it. It's super potent. So a little bit goes a long way, and you probably shouldn't like leave it in your hair too long, which I usually make that mistake. I loved it so much I went and bought the full size bottle. This is the 10 ounce. And I'm trying to get rid of the dark underneath, and basically it's turned orange and it doesn't want to like let loose. So I got the blue shampoo to hopefully counteract that orange. I have the purple shampoo in this and it's good too, don't get me wrong, but I'm really into the Privana right now. But Joico is the only one that had the blue shampoo. And then I was completely out of my Lancome Sills Booster. And basically this is an expensive mascara primer, but it's so freaking good. OMG. And I bought all this stuff. Oh! Pimp down. My bad, you guys. Sorry. Let me just readjust. So when I was like, okay, I got the 20% off coupon for being platinum, like I might as well just buy it. So I did. Let me get some of these bath bombs out of the way. They're kind of huge and you can't really see anything. And then I'm completely out of this primer. It's my favorite, the Smashbox Photo Finish. I really love to pack this in my pores because I have such large, disgusting pores. And then, totally did not need this, but I've been wanting it, and I bought the Snowball bag for my friend for Christmas, and I was totally kicking myself that I didn't buy one for myself. And this is Whisper of Guilt, and I just, it's so freaking pretty. I hope you guys can see that. I know my lighting angle is not the best. Sorry about that. You know how it is, like, I can't win. This is the Resi. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is so freaking cool. This little wavy part. I'm amused by little things. And the packaging, without all my smudge prints, is so luxurious and so nice. It even has a little message on the back. I live for the perfect glow. It's a constant focus in my makeup routine. I'm always looking for the most luminous glow with a natural second skin finish. This collaboration with ABH brings my highlighter dreams to life, and I'm so happy to share this Sun in a Compact with my Resi riders. Resi. So, this one, you guys, like, I was like, okay, so, you know, it's really, really pretty in pictures, but, and then you put it on, and, like, it is super blinding, super gorgeous, extremely reflective, and very, very skin-like. And it is totally different from the MAC in person. Like, MAC is definitely a warm, pale yellow. This is definitely a white gold, and it almost just kind of like picks up your skin tone through it, because the more you blend it, the more it literally looks like your skin tone. At least it does for me. And then I got a refill on this because mine is about to poop out, and this is my favorite mascara. It's so good. I just love everything about it. Whatever. I'm not going to say a whole lot about it because I'm sure everybody knows about it. And then I got this with my samples. I don't really know. I don't really know what that's about. It's just like a flyer. And then I got a $5 off coupon. And then I got this massive, let me push everything back, massive freaking bag of samples. So, for the bath bombs, they had like an 8-piece promotion where if you spent so much money on like certain brands or whatever, you get the 8-piece, and then they just had a regular Ulta promotion. Like if you spent so much money total, then you get like an 18-piece with this bag. So I'll just take all these out for you. Jimmy Choo Lo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. That smells really good on my skin. I was like, oh, I'm probably going to declutter this. And then I started spraying it and I was like, holy crap, maybe not. It's really light and fresh and just super beautiful. The Smashbox Primerizer. I've been wanting to try this actually. I don't know if it'll work for me because I have oily skin, but I mean, we'll see. And then, like, this is a pretty big bottle for, you know, in a sample. It's Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Shampoo, Volumizing Shampoo from Hems. That's a 3 fluid ounce bottle, so that's pretty freaking big. I think I got another big bottle too. Anyway, Nikeo Maracuja and Yangu Soothing Oil. I'm really excited to try this. I was reading the back and it says, soothe and nourish skin while calming sensitive areas with this conditioning oil. With their high content of essential fatty acids, Maracuja and Yangu oils blend together to create a gentle barrier for skin. Both oils are cold pressed to preserve their nutrients. I mean, that sounds good to me. I'm game for all that. And this is Deep Clean Pore Glacial Clay. That looks pretty good too. Philosophy Amazing Grace Firming Body Emulsion. I don't really know what that means, or unless that's like a fancy way of saying it's lotion. I don't know. Whatever. This is a 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. I've never tried any of their stuff, so that should be interesting. L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser Detox Brighten. Clay to mousse. Removes everyday impurities. Oh. Clay to... That sounds interesting. Clay to mousse. Okay, I'm game. The, what is this called? Soap and Glory Pillow Plump. I thought it was Sexy Mother Pucker, but it's Oh yeah, it is. Sexy Mother Pucker Pillow Plump XXL Lip Gloss. Okay, so while this is honestly, it's pretty, and I'm not like into pink. However, if I can get the freaking thing open, so I can show you the color. It's Pinkwell, and it's kind of more of like a peachy pink. Yeah, it's showing up a little, it's showing up darker. It's actually probably like 2 shades lighter than that. But I freaking hate the smell of this stuff, so that's gonna get passed on to a friend. The Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil in, or I'm sorry, the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. This is a full-size item, and I happen to like these. They're nice, but I never use them. However, this one I might keep around because it is a matte white, so it's really good to put under like really pigmented eyeshadows that you want to show up. So like the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And even though I have like a gel pot or a cream pot, whatever, that NYX white eyeshadow base, I do want to try this out, and I have been wanting to try it out. So I'm actually glad that I got that. Bosley Professional Strength Ultra Boost Styling Cream. Okay, that's self-explanatory, not that great, I guess. Facial Radiance Pads help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Okay, this looks cool. Unicorn Hair Chocolate Cherry. I'm going to try this. It says it's semi-permanent, which pretty much all bright colors are. I don't know if any of them that are permanent, but anyway, Black Opium YSL. I've been wanting to try this too. I actually have a funny story. I feel like I kind of got punked because one time I ordered like a free sample of it, and I thought it was going to be the actual like vial like this. Like I thought this is what I was gonna get. Oh shit, that's tiny. Punked again. But no, they sent me like one of those scented cards for a free sample. I was like, wow, y'all are some cheap mothers, okay? Yeah, it didn't even come in the spray bottle. Oh my gosh. And then I got these for free, of course. Now, I just thought these were for like dabbing concealer on, but it says erase makeup mishaps. So it says if you have like flaking mascara or eyeshadow fallout, use them dry to pick that shit up. Holy crap, I'm gonna have to try that because I'm messy as hell. And I want to see if that works. But you can use them damp too, just like a regular Real Techniques sponge. You can blend out your concealer under your eye or spot concealer or anything with it too. So, all right. Then I have the Organic to Green Cocoa Oil All-in-One Liquid Coconut Oil. Okay, I don't. Alrighty. Then the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in Blackest Brown. That is too dark for me, so that'll get decluttered. Hey Honey, good morning. Honey Silk Facial Serum for all skin types. I will definitely try that. This is called the Ritual of Ayurveda. I don't know. Inner Harmony Brings Natural Beauty. Great. Hand Balm, Indian Rose, and Sweet Almond Oil. This actually reminds me of like being at the hair salon. It's just got like that hair salon scent to it. Estee Lauder, the Smoother Universal Perfecting Primer. Okay, I will try that. I've never heard of that. But, you know, that's not difficult for me to not hear that. Hemp's Original Herbal Shampoo for damaged and color treated hair. Powerful moisture and revives. I will definitely be trying that too. And like, this is huge. It's 3 fluid ounces. Like, Hemp's is really killing it with their freaking samples. They're huge. And then this little guy is from BH Cosmetics. Mini Liquid Lipstick. I have no clue what color this is though. it literally doesn't say what color it is. And it looks like a mauve-y pink. I'm not really into any sort of like mauve-y pinks, but I'm gonna try it anyway because I want to try their formula. I've never tried them before. And then a full-size CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. I'm totally gonna use this. And full size, like, way to go, CoverGirl. Dang. Very black. Okay, yeah, that's good. And then I've got Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. It is a hair mask. So, oh yeah, one last thing. A L'Oreal Voluminous Primer Base. Now, I've used the Voluminous Mascara, and it's so freaking good. I've been using the Voluminous Paradise lately because it reminds me of the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, except for it doesn't have like the bad fallout, and it doesn't make my lashes fall. So basically it's all of the good parts of the Better Than Sex and none of the bad parts. But I used to use the Voluminous in Carbon Black, and I still really love it. It's still really good. So I'm excited to try the primer for sure. I mean, obviously, you know, I'm game for primers. Like, I'm gonna compare these two. I'm actually gonna do like a live video. Well, not like live, but a recorded video, unedited probably, to see if the Cils Booster from Lancome is better than the mascara primer from L'Oreal. So, and then of course this nice little bag to keep all my samples in, because I definitely do need a place to store all of this shit. All right, you guys, this is my haul. All of it. There you are. Like, that's a lot of stuff. And then the bath bombs, of course. Ignore my mess. My whole room is messy right now. We just did laundry, and like, I hate folding clothes, so clean laundry kind of just like sticks around for a while. Anyway, bask in all this wonderful, wonderful Ulta haulness, and don't mind my nails. I'm like getting ready to redo them. And that is all, my lovelies. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time because I have a Sephora order coming in, and I will be more than happy to show that to you.